All right, guys, Dr. Landry here once again with Optimal Performance Chiropractic. And once again, Elva always needs adjustments. Every morning, she always says, Doctor, me duele fuerte mi espalda baja. Say no more. I got you. As my kids say less. Take a deep breath in. Breathe it out. Good. One more. Deep breath. And breathe it out. Good. Perfect. All right. Go ahead and lay on your side and face me this way here. Now we're going to adjust her lower back. Going to come a little closer here. See, these youngins are getting older now. You know, we got to make sure that we're taking care of them while they're younger. All right. Deep breath in. Breathe it out. One more. All right. It's good. Go ahead and go on your back. Let's check your neck. All right, one more here. Got your bun right here.
Okay.
That's all right. One more there. There we go. Perfect. Not bad. Reconectada como nueva. All right, guys, give us a call, 951-405-8868. Be like Elva. Get adjusted every once in a while. Chat with you guys soon. Peace.